started skiing when I was 2.5 and grew up pretty much skiing with my family up in Lake Tahoe, California. And in the summers and falls, I'd spend a lot of time here in Hawaii. And now I've transitioned from the complete ski lifestyle to water. I'm here in Maui today to kind of bring back the skiing part of my lifestyle and mix it in with tow surfing. I don't want this to be looked at as a circus act, because ever since I started, I was hooked like a little kid, just like I was when I started snow skiing. So there's something like that that really keeps me going, and I know that that's what I'm looking forward to as far as proving that you can actually turn on the waves. I was pretty impressed with what Mike and Cody had done with skiing last year on the waves. After watching, the video that they put together and the time they spent and talking to them, I was super inspired. I've had 4 really good sessions in Northern California. Every session I would learn something more or figure something out that actually got me more excited to, like, okay, this is really working. And now being here at Jaws, this is kind of the next step. To me, this is like the Alaska of skiing. It's something with surfing and skiing. We all like to do both, and to be able to mesh them together, it makes complete sense. Just the feeling of free skiing and doing open big lines, and that's kind of what got me back into it.